the biggest challenges faced by e-commerce right now?
The biggest challenge is customers want not so complex projects anymore. The budgets are lowering, and we see the challenges is that we have to reduce or standardize the processes on customer sides, and that the e-commerce system has to follow the customer needs. There is not so much budgets anymore for high complex systems. Customers don't want high complex systems anymore.
What is the future of e-commerce?
The future of e-commerce is what the biggest challenges are. It's a solution for it, reducing the complexity, putting the complexity out of the coding into the software itself, like low code, no code, like the workflow editor, like seamless plugins or apps we integrate already in the e-commerce system, so that customer can adapt plugins and apps to fulfill their needs instead of spending a lot of days just for complex software development.
What role does AI play in e-commerce?
AI is an important role. The thing is, currently it's in an early adopter phase from my point of view. It will harden in the future. So image generation, people are playing around right now with it, but we see a high value related to generating product data, and also for the customer experience by analyzing what the customer really needs, analyzing his order history, and putting out very good product recommendations.
Can you say something about the partnership of Reply and Shopware?
Vanilla Reply and Shopware, we really enjoy the partnership. We really enjoy the direct contact to our partner manager Dennis Neufeld, and also head of software Daniel Nögel, and a big exchange how the roadmap will look like, what needs are really required for us from Shopware to place Shopware in good customer faces for B2B projects, for example.
Why would you recommend Shopware, or to whom would you recommend Shopware?
We recommend Shopware because we have a long partnership, so we're working together with Shopware since 10 years, and we really like the evolution of Shopware and how it's going on. The direct contact to all the people at Shopware, partner manager, software development. And Shopware goes a really good way with integrating things like the workflow editor, which makes it easier to adapt customer processes, customer needs for automation things, so you don't have to implement other third-party tools for this. You can do this all directly in Shopware.